Thanks for breathing in my face. Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. Of course, I'm Ashley. This is my nephew, Miguel. He is 10 years old. He's clearly a goofball. And today we are going to do a little behind on this trend, but we are going to do my nephew does my voiceover, and of course I clearly can't do makeup, so we're going to do a craft voiceover. So Miguel is going to try. He doesn't even know what a voiceover is, so this is going to be really interesting. Miguel is going
to fail horribly.
He thinks he's going to fail horribly. Miguel here has his own YouTube channel, Miguel Time. Tell him about Miguel Time. I
only have one video. I will make challenge videos. I'll make Xbox videos, phone videos. Although I don't know how to hook it up to my console to play it, so I might have to not do the face, so you might not be able to see my face when I play the games.
So Miguel here has his own YouTube channel he's working on. He's just started it up. He's still fresh and new, so you can always go subscribe to Miguel Time. We're gonna have my 10-year-old nephew Miguel do my craft voiceover, and he has no clue what the craft even is.
No.
He doesn't know what the final product is, so he is gonna wing it as he goes, and this ought to be very, very interesting.
And embarrassing. If
you're new here, go ahead and subscribe. I post a new video every week.
Turn on notifications.
Turn on notifications, hit the bell, and hit the like button if you like this, and if you think my nephew's the cutest little thing you ever saw in your life. Okay, guys. Let's get into this video.
So here we are with crystal clear tube. Now we have X-Acto knives with X-Acto blades. You will also need a hot glue gun. That's a hot glue tube, ain't it? You will need metal wires. This is not what's boring. You will need 3 different types of pliers. You will need a gold chain and locks, I guess. Use the X-Acto knife for the crystal clear hot glue. Use the X-Acto knife to cut the glue in half into uneven parts. Make it more thin. Keep cutting until you get bored. Keep cutting until it's ice. It looks like ice when you're cutting it off. 5 centuries later. It looks like she's just cutting it up into ice. And then it's supposed to look like a crystal. Crystal clear. Oh, that's where they got the name. Use the hot glue gun and attach a wire to the hot glue crystal form, I guess. Keep twisting until it looks like that. Oh, a Fortnite pickaxe?
It's not a Fortnite pickaxe. What the heck's a Fortnite pickaxe?
It looks kind of like that, except this would be all like iron, and this would have to have flat, and this one stay like that. Crystal rod. There you have a crystal rod. Wait, what is this? What's it supposed to do? Attract lightning? Snip it off with one of your pliers. Oh, okay. So it's supposed to be. Oh! Necklace part. Use the necklace parts with those little hooky thingies. Hookies. Hooks. Use the hooks. Hook it to the metal chain. You're making a necklace! And there you have a necklace. Attach the crystal covered in wire and attach your chain to the ring. Farts. There you have a fart nugget. Okay, there you have a necklace. The end. I want to craft now. Now I want to start crafting. I think I like it.
Okay, that's it. That is my 10-year-old nephew doing my craft video voiceover. I hope you guys like this video. If you do, give me a thumbs up. Again, don't forget to subscribe. I upload every week. Hit the notification bell so you know every time we upload a video. Miguel, anything to say?
Subscribe. Interview over. That's all for this time. Bye-bye.